Hi guys, we're at Macron Plaza. Just kidding, we're actually at Mariachi Plaza. I don't know why it's called Macron, but we're going to show you how to ride the metro today. Okay. Alright, we're in the station now. Alright, we're in the station now. But we're going to show you how to use one of these tap vending machines. You're going to select a language of preference, and then you're going to buy a tap card. It's $2 each, plus whatever you add to it. And then you can just do store value, and I would recommend $5. And then it's $7 and you pay for it, and you get a cool tap card like this one that they show. Oh, and when you're waiting for your train, always make sure you stay right behind this yellow line so you don't get accidentally hit by a train. That would be bad.
Go ahead and tap out. That, you too.
That's how you tap out.
We tapped out, yay!
Yeah. You video the bus if you want.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
I'm just
As you can see, a bus is arriving. At this station, the Olympics will be taking place in 2028. You can also use your tap card on other transit agencies.
ooh, fun.